Do you want to help Mom with this? Huh? What are we going to do? Are we going to open it? Are you going to help Mom? Oh, do you want this? Okay, let's open it, okay? You're going to help Mom, okay? Are you going to help Mom? Come here. Come on. Yeah, help Mom. Okay, you just wait, okay? Mommy's peeling it. You wait. Come on. Oh, there. Now, help. Okay, can you help peel it, please? Good boy. Yeah. Oh, good boy. There you go. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Come on. Help Mom. Yeah. Oh, you're helping Mom. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, over there. Peel that, please. Help Mom peel it. Yeah. Are you helping? Huh? Yeah. You're my good boy, huh? Do you want this? Oh, you want it, huh? Wait. We have to peel it first. Okay? Come on. We have to peel it fully. Come on, help Mom. Good boy. There you go. Okay, there. Thank you. Yeah, there you go. Some more. Yep. We're almost there, baby. Almost there. Almost done. Okay? Yeah, we're almost done, baby. Yeah, Mommy's gonna give you an orange. Oh, good boy! Thank you, baby. Now, do you want this? Yeah? Okay, Mommy will split it. Oh, this one. Wait. Okay, here you go. There you go. Good boy. Thanks for helping me, baby. Good boy. Is it yummy? Huh? Is it yummy, baby? Ooh, juicy. Is it juicy and yummy?